Are you tired of experiencing laggy gameplay in Roblox Mobile? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce lag in Roblox on your mobile device. First, open Roblox and go to the settings. Change your graphics settings to manual and set them to the lowest setting. Next, leave Roblox and go to your device's settings. Scroll down to find About Phone and tap on it. Tap the version or build number multiple times until you see a notification indicating that you've enabled developer options. Now, go back and select System or Additional Settings, then click on Developer Options. Scroll down to find Game Driver Preference. This option is available for devices with Android 10 or later. Once you find it, select the option and choose Roblox. Click on the Game Driver option to optimize the game. If you don't have Game Driver Preference, it's okay. Scroll down further and look for the animation options. Turn off these animations for better performance. You can also use a Game Booster app to boost Roblox's performance. Open the Game Booster and boost Roblox. Once the game is boosted, try playing Roblox again and see the difference. Test it out in your favorite games like Brookhaven. And there you have it. Enjoy smoother gameplay on Roblox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!